Alright, I'm back with my reed here. It's just a Van Doren reed. It's just a pretty typical one, it's 2.5. And I got the SYOS Smoky 7, tip opening 7, because I usually like to play with 7 on tenor. And I just want to play test it a little bit. And hopefully this just stays on. I don't have to do it. Okay. Yeah, it feels decent. It feels really light compared to other mouthpieces. And ligature's not the best, in my personal opinion. I'm have to readjust this. Because if you just if you accidentally rub the ligature while you're trying to, insert your mouthpiece into here, into the cork, it may move around. I'm gonna play a jazz head really quickly. I'm just gonna play some. Just gonna play some stuff, I guess. I don't really know what to play though. I mean, it's not super dark as I thought it would be, but I mean, it's pretty nice. Feels just like the Jody Jazz HR though, so I'm not too sure if I like it that much. Yep. Alright guys, so I'm going to be comparing the Jody Jazz HR and the SYOS Smoky. I don't have an HR custom dark, which I did want to get. It's a little too expensive right now. In terms of I guess just the chamber, I don't know if you can see super well. Let me try, but the chambers look around similar size, I believe. I think the Smoky is bigger for sure, and it's got more of this ring thing here. HR, it's a bit smaller. The rings, I don't know what this is called, but the ring here is smaller. The HR also doesn't have the step, I believe, but I mean, yeah, HR doesn't have step, has a step up here. I'll show you guys. Let's pull that out. It's got a little bit of a step. I don't know. It's pretty hard to see because it's on a phone, but you see it goes like that, and then it just starts going down. There's a little step there. And yeah, I think it's a nice mouthpiece, but it feels, in my opinion, just like my Jody Jazz HR. Let me just play something for you on the Jody Jazz HR first. Sorry, yeah. I'm just gonna play the Blues for Alice Head twice. And that's the HR. Now, hearing it again, because I didn't play them side by side just until just now, the HR does sound a lot brighter than the Smoky, which is obviously what the HR is meant for. It's not meant for brightness, but it obviously will have more brightness than the Smoky, as this is for, darker sounds, I guess. I also have a Jody Jazz Jet, which is very bright in my opinion. And here's Smoky for the same head. So maybe you can hear it, it's a lot darker than the SYOS, but it also projects pretty nicely if I wanted to, like. Low notes come out much easier than on either Jody Jazz mouthpiece, which is really nice because my Anigasawa does have a leak, like it has a problem in the B flat. So yeah, I mean it's a nice mouthpiece. I don't know. I don't know how I'm gonna keep it. Might send it back, but I do like it. It's pretty good. And ultimately, I want to end saying that mouthpieces aren't like one mouthpiece can be great for everyone. Like one mouthpiece that I may like, you may not like at all, but another that you like, I may not like at all. So yeah, peace.